Avoid these 5 foods. If you're over 60, they speed up aging. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University, where we help you live stronger, longer, and healthier. One smart choice at a time. After 60, your body changes. Your metabolism slows down, your skin loses elasticity, and your organs become more sensitive to what you eat. But did you know that some everyday foods can actually speed up the aging process? Stay with me until the end, because I'll not only show you the 5 foods to avoid, but also what to eat instead to protect your health and longevity. Number 1. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats may taste great, but they're loaded with sodium, preservatives, and nitrates that increase inflammation and damage blood vessels. Over time, they can make your skin dull, your joints stiff, and your heart work harder. Try this instead. Baked chicken breast, tuna, or lentil patties for clean, lean protein. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Soda, energy drinks, and even fruit juices packed with added sugar accelerate aging from the inside out. They spike your blood sugar, weaken collagen in your skin, and increase your risk of diabetes. Try this instead. Water with lemon, green tea, or homemade fruit-infused water. Number 3. Refined carbs and white bread. Refined carbs turn into sugar fast, and that sugar attaches to proteins in your body, forming compounds that damage skin and organs. This process is literally called glycation, and it's a major factor in wrinkles and fatigue. Try this instead. Whole grain bread, quinoa, oats, or sweet potatoes. Number 4. Deep-fried foods. When foods are fried in reused oil, they form harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, the same molecules that age your cells. They also clog arteries, reduce blood flow, and create inflammation throughout your body. Try this instead. Air fry, bake, or grill your meals. Your heart and skin will thank you. Number 5. Processed snacks and packaged desserts. Cookies, chips, and pastries are made with trans fats and refined sugar. A double hit for aging. They make you tired, dry out your skin, and stress your liver. Try this instead. A handful of nuts, dark chocolate, or Greek yogurt with fruit. Conclusion and motivation. The truth is, aging well isn't about cutting everything you love. It's about making small, smart swaps that give your body what it really needs. Every healthy choice adds energy to your day and years to your life. So next time you reach for something quick, remember, your food can either age you or heal you. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, and feel the difference in your skin, your strength, and your spirit. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more daily tips to help you live better after 50. This is Health and Fitness University, where knowledge meets longevity. See you in the next video.